Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Charlie Wills team. We're here for our home tips. All right, today we're going to talk about garden boxes, and what you can see here right next to me is a finished product, and we're going to be building one from scratch today. So we're going to assemble all the boxes. We're going to do it in more of like a fast motion way, so that you can see kind of the assembly instead of having 2 hours or 3 hours of video of us assembling this. It'll be a condensed version that you can see time lapse. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna put it together, and we'll shoot pictures at another time with the finished product. We're gonna instead of, in this box we've got tomatoes, green peppers, jalapenos, strawberries, and rhubarb. We'll have lettuce, green beans, and onions in that next box, and a little bit of kale too. So anyways, we look forward to sharing that with you, and how easy it really is to build these boxes and set this kind of this system up for yourself. But I don't know about you, I love fresh greens, I love my fresh vegetables, and what a better way to do this on your own, in your own property. So, and I brought my special helper here, my son Grant. He's gonna come join us today and put this together. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any comments or would like us to do any other builds or things to think about in home tips, please make suggestions below. And here's the final product. As you can see, it took about a couple hours here in the time-lapse video for us to put this together. And what I want to cover is, you can see these two side by side. That is 2 years old. This is brand new. What we use, the product here is called AC2. It's a chemically dipped pine board, and this is called the cedar tone version, so it kind of holds a little prettier color than the bright green pine that we normally see with that product. So what we did here is we finished this with the galvanized 1-inch rib. They call it siding or roofing, depending on where you go. And then on the inside, to hold that ribbing in, and also to protect it from the dirt from it bowing out, is AC2 dipped 3/4 inch plywood board. So you then mount it in on the inside. The products that you need a bunch of different ones, and that'll be in the link that we put in there with the PDF. But most of your screws are deck screws that are coated, and you want triple coated screws so that they don't rust out. And then how we frame these up, in the corners on these boards, it's called towing. You tow them into the other boards. You do that on every single angle on the corners, and also on your frames on the ends. But what you do on the bottom is you countersink those 2 inches into the bottom, and you use a 6-inch lag bolt, and you lag it all the way into the other boards on the frame, so it really grabs it and really holds it true, because we're gonna about 2.5 yards worth of dirt into here, and when all that dirt sits in there, there's gonna be a lot of pressure to pull it apart. So you wanna make sure that your stuff is really set tight. And then we trimmed it out with same material on the top, and then measured all the way around. What you wanna do is about 1 inch lip all the way around, so that you got a little bit of lip coverage all the way. And then when you're done, you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. And we'll show you images of that when we get back to it. But here's the garden bed that we were able to put together, and hopefully you guys enjoy not only the video, but the instructions on how to put it together.